Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to wire up a hazard light system using a double contact relay and a separate blinker relay. I'm not going to use the original blinker relay on this scooter because it is built into the emission system, so a bit complicated to get into it. First, we gotta set up the power first. So we need to set up get the power from the battery positive and run the wire to where the relay you want to put it to. Now in this case I put it in the front. So I run the wire all the way from the back of the bike all the way to here. It gets into a connector here. I use this double head connectors, so I got one spare to use later on to connect some other lights if they need power directly from the battery. So first, I'm going to talk about the two relay first. This one is the blinker relay, and very simple. Positive from the power, the battery, negative to the ground, and then the L that goes to the signal light, and then the double contact relay, which is this one. Give me a second, I'm gonna focus first. So this double contact relay, we got pin 85, 86, that's the coil. So you connect power either from 85 or 86. It doesn't matter which way you need to go which way. If you connect power to 85, then power goes up from 86. If you connect power to 86, then power goes up from 85. So in this case, I connect power to the 86, and power goes up to 85. And once you fit the power, this coil will energize and become magnetic and pull the pin and the connectors on top. Pull the pins to connect 30 to 87A and 87. So 87A and 87 will connect to the turn signal wires, left and right respectively. Doesn't matter which one, go which one though. You can connect 87 to the left and 87A to the right, or 87A to the left and 87 to the right. 30 on this relay will connect to, actually go back to the L pin on the blinker relay. As I said, the L is to send the power to the signal light. In this case, it's sent to the pin 30. So once you activate, the power will send to both left and right turn signal together. So I join the wire together before I assemble them. The power from both relay fit from the red wire I just made. Go through the fuse here, and then get power from this connector that fit power from the battery, and then negative on the two relay. This one, the negative, and the negative on this one. How you look at the negative is this one, because I fit power on 86. Now 85 is the negative, so I join the two negative together, become one negative that goes to the switch. I use the negative on negative side to control the on-off on the hazard system instead of positive. So the negative will go to a switch, and then the switch will go back to the negative of the bike. So the two red wire joins together, fit power from the battery through the inline fuse, and then fit these two relays. And the two negatives joins together, goes to the switch, and go back down to the negative of the bike. And then the L pin on the blinker relay will go to the pin 30 pin 30 on this relay actually is this one. It's like vertical here, and then the bottom 2 wires is horizontal. 2 wire, this one and this one, the green and the yellow, that goes to the signal light. So the 2 wires that goes to the signal light, this one, I make it to the left turn signal. It goes up here to the left turn signal. I jam to the positive wire of the left turn signal. So once the power sent to the double contact relay, then we send to the signal light here. You don't need to connect the rear signal light, because the signal light on the front will actually want to wire together. So you just connect to one wire, it will send power to all the signal light on the left hand side. And then the other wire that the right turn signal, so the bottom, the other wire here, I'll connect it to, using this black wire, to the right turn signal light here, all the way to the right turn signal light, which is here. So same again, you connect to the positive wire on the right turn signal light, the front one. The power will send to the left, the back too. So connect to this wire, and then you're all set. Now what is left is the switch. As I said, I joined the 2 green wire that goes here all the way to the switch I made here. On this scooter, unfortunately, the handlebars are all covered up, so I can use the handlebar mount on-off switch. So I use a meter switch here. I'll mount it somewhere after I find a place. So one black wire goes to here, and then the other black wire after the switch goes down and go back to here. I just get the negative from the turn signal. So negative turn signal join to here, to the switch, the other side of the switch. So after that, you're all set. And I'm gonna try show you guys how it works. Okay, let me put the signal light here first. Now everything all set. I'm gonna try press the button on the temporary hazard switch I made here. Turn it on. Now all the lights start flashing. And the back too. Okay, that's how it done. So I make a hazard light system using a separate blinker relay, and then a double contact relay. So it's not that difficult. Most likely when I send this thing out to the buyers, I'll probably reconnect some of the wires, so make it easier for you guys to set it up. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can check out my website or my eBay, my user ID to all buyer. Okay, thank you for watching.